This is how I design websites from start to finish in 6 steps. Step 1, the brief. Before I open any tool, I have to know exactly what I'm building. I need to know the goal of the project, who am I building it for, and the type of personality that the business wants. Without getting the brief right from the beginning, it's very easy for you to do something that's completely generic. Now, step 2 is inspiration. I have 2 places I go to for inspiration. The first one is Awwwards.com and Codely. And anytime I'm looking for inspiration, I'm not doing that to copy, but rather to study. I'm looking at how the best sites in the world are handling things like their layouts for a particular section, their typography, their colors, the type of interaction and motion they use. And I save everything that fits the direction of the website that I'm trying to build. Now, step 3 is wireframes. Before I touch any visuals at all or images, I first of all lay out the skeleton and the structure of the website. I need to know what goes where your eyes will land immediately you open the website, all the buttons, and how all the text will be arranged. At this point, no colors, no fonts, no images. I just want to get the skeleton of the website done. Now, step 4. This is where I start designing. I look at the wireframe and then I start filling in all the gaps with actual colors, typography, images that works for the business. And I'm also building a system that every other section will follow. So all the pages of the website can feel like they belong together. Now, step 5, this is where I present the design of the website to the clients to get their approval before I start development. At this point, I get approval for all the images that I'm using, for the copies of the website, for how the layout is arranged, and of course, the colors. After getting all the necessary approvals, I move to the last and final stage, which is development. For me personally, I usually have 2 parts. Either I go with a no-code tool like Framer to build up the website, or I actually code it. And with the help of Claude Code, it's very easy for me to turn this design to an actual website. See you guys in the next one.